With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi students, our question is some methods used for the laboratory preparation of salts are, so that is first metal plus acid, second carbonate plus acid, third is carbonate plus acid, fourth is precipitation, that is double decomposition, fifth is titration, and sixth is direct synthesis. So state the methods of preparation, that is A, B, C, D or E for each of the following salts. Okay. So now what we have been asked is for lead nitrate. Okay. So here lead nitrate is done by metal plus acid. Okay.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.